Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll show you exactly how to sync the Quicken mobile app so you can manage your finances wherever you are. Quicken is a personal finance management software that helps individuals track their spending, create budgets, manage bills, and monitor investments. It allows users to link bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial data in one place, making it easier to manage money, plan for the future, and stay on top of financial goals. Quicken is available for both desktop and mobile use. Follow this video step by step to sync Quicken Web to mobile. First, open Quicken on your desktop. Go to Edit Preferences, Quicken ID and Cloud Accounts and make sure you're signed in. Next, go to the Mobile and Web tab in Preferences. Turn on syncing by checking the box that says Sync Quicken Mobile and Web with. Then, select which account you want to sync to your mobile app and click Done. Now, download the Quicken mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in using the same Quicken ID you used on desktop. The app will automatically pull in your synced data. You can also swipe down to refresh manually. And that's it. You're now synced and ready to manage your money anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching.